now that you understand that if you promote Amazon products,
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
off Amazon, anywhere on the web, whether through Facebook ads, on YouTube, on Twitter, on social media, your website, influencers, anywhere, you need to, number one, use a URL with keywords so you can rank for those keywords. And number two, use a URL shortener that's going to give you analytics and hopefully more robust additional features. This is where a tool like Pixelfy comes in. This is their website right from them. This is their about page. It says, what is Pixelfy? So we go right through to the source, and we're going to go over exactly why to use this, and then we're going to start. So it's a URL shortener, but it's a lot more, because it not only that, it has a retargeting pixel. If you're not sure what a pixel is, disregard that word for now. To help you understand this simply, it's going to enable you to run accurate, cheap retargeting ads to the best leads that you've already attracted on Facebook, Twitter, Google, and LinkedIn, all those ads. And it's going to help you find new similar audiences on Facebook that you can advertise to. So like you might, for example, run ads to hundreds of people and then build a profile of exactly the right type of buyer out of those hundreds of people. The people who are the most engaged, you'll build the right kind of profile through this URL shortener and through its tracking. And then you'll be able to tap into millions of similar people on Facebook that Facebook knows that they're very similar to the profile you'll be sharing with them. That's really what this explains. Now, everybody knows there's URL shorteners like Bitly, but that's not for Amazon, and it's not for running ads, really. It's not robust. It's just very basic. It's their very basic account is free. The issue with Pixelfy is that it's not free, but it's really, really, really affordable. If I go to their pricing page, the starter package is $3.99, but it's actually cheaper than that. Every free trial starts at $1 trial for a month. So essentially free. $1 is essentially free. And you can just try maybe one of the first two accounts is all you need. And by the end of the month, you'll be able to tell, is this helping you? Is this not helping you? And if not, you can cancel it. So it's really $1, and you get a really robust tool that I'll be walking you through that's made specifically for Amazon sellers promoting off Amazon. Because what happens with most people, it's really hard to drive sales off Amazon for Amazon products. But if this can help you either find the right ways to promote for free, or find the right ways to pay to promote, or help you eventually create those custom audiences that helps you tap into thousands and millions of people on Facebook who are similar, then you can drive a flood of traffic and sales to your Amazon listings, have those traffic and sales shoot up in the organic results and dominate your niche and grow inside Amazon. So if this works, that's amazing. Obviously, it can't be guaranteed that it works for everyone, but this has the potential to be absolutely game changing. I actually already have an account with this site, so I'm just going to log in and I'm going to be showing you the insides of it. If you're new to this, just sign up, click the sign up button, and you basically will just have to spend $1. I don't know how long it will be this cheap, but at the moment it's a $1 first month trial, so you're risking really only $1. And then so sign up, and in the next video we're going to actually begin going over, and I'll be walking you through how to use this tool.